Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. Somewhere in cyberspace there is a video of this ring tree pour that I did for this second part of this free sculptured resin vase, and this is where it is curing. I have slumped it over my slump mold cup, and then I have propped the edges up with just other empty cups underneath there to give it the fold look and to let it cure. Then I set it inside of the first part of the resin vase, which is that one that is on top there, and I've let them cure together. And I'm just going to remove the plastic that I left on there to protect against the slump mold. And it's not hard to remove this, it's just basically making sure that you get it out of the folds of the resin. And this is shrink wrap from a canvas that I had purchased, and I always save my shrink wrap for such projects as this because it's great to use for pouring resin on, as long as you don't burn a hole in the plastic, but that would be true for any plastic that you use to do freeform. So there's a couple places where it is a little tighter than others, and you just have to work with it and get it out. I did tape the edges to hold it in place so that it would cure against the first part of the vase. And here it is already. It's still movable, but after it sets for another 24 hours it will be solid, and you can see how they are molded into each other. And I need now to just go around the edges and trim away some of the sharper edges to make sure that there's nothing there that could possibly cut someone or cause a scratch. And I've already trimmed it down, and I will put a clear coat on the outside, and then once that is cured I will come back and put a clear coat on the inside. And I'm just, since it's still in a bendable portion of curing, I'm going to just shape it a little bit because I want a certain look to it. My son says it looks like a twirly dress when it's turned upside down. I don't know, but I like it. I think it's pretty. It's unusual. The stones, the colors, the design is one of a kind. It's unique. So here it is after I have put the coat inside and outside, and I think it's just lovely. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. I'm sorry I've lost part of a video again, but this is the end result. And I want to thank you for watching. Please click like and share. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you get notified when I upload future videos. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I love your feedback. It's always good to hear what you think and any ideas you may have. Thanks for joining me on this one, and I hope to see you in my next Creative Escapade. Bye bye for now.